Hey folks, Dr. Gerstmar from Aspire Natural Health. Hope you're having an absolutely wonderful day. I'm excited. I'm out on a walk again, taking my dog, getting outside. The topic I wanted to talk about today was a supposedly ancient Japanese proverb. I haven't checked on it. You know, a lot of these proverbs, they actually don't know where they came from, or, we say like Albert Einstein or someone else said things, come to find out they didn't. I guess it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, if there's some wisdom in a saying, does it really matter where it comes from? I don't think so. So this ancient proverb says, fall down 7 times, get up 8 times. And this is especially important for any of us who are pursuing our health journey. A couple of months ago, I decided I was going to do a 30-day morning routine challenge because I believe our morning routines are a critically important part of long-term health. And not only long-term health, but to be a productive and active member of society and to accomplish the things that matter to us. Again, what's your purpose in life? And moving towards that is seriously enhanced by having a good morning routine. So what happens, 3 days into that morning routine, I got a horrible stomach flu that sidelined me for over a week, just completely shattered my routine. Then on to a couple of business trips and Thanksgiving. And what happened? Basically, my intention to do a 30-day morning routine challenge completely fell apart. And, everything got derailed. Can you relate? I mean, that's life, right? We all go through those experiences despite best intentions, despite knowing what to do, despite trying to set it up correctly. Life happens sometimes, and we can get very down on ourselves and beat ourselves up and blame ourselves. And again, we've talked about self-talk and the horrible way many of us treat ourselves. We can do all that. Instead, we can choose to set it aside. We can look at it as a learning experience. What was there to learn? Well, maybe setting a 30-day challenge right before you're going to go on business trips and vacation isn't necessarily the best idea, right? And even more important than that. So obviously, I believe it's critically important that we examine things and we learn, but even more important is to stand back up again or get back on that horse or whatever analogy you'd like to use here, but to get going. So today is day 2 for me. Yesterday, I got my morning routine going again. I got out on a walk with the dog, and today I'm excited. I got my morning routine done again, and I'm out for a walk again. Now, this is the beginning of what I'm looking to put together as a streak. And even more important than that, it's not just a streak, it's habits that I want in my life. I know when I'm able to get outside, get on a walk, not only is my dog healthier and happier, but so am I. When I get my morning routine, I actually follow it in the morning, I feel better, more energy, more clarity, and my day is not so scattered and jumbled as when I can take a little time in the morning to get things going right. After all, life truly is a marathon. Hopefully, to myself and all of you listening out there, hopefully we have 10, 20, 30, 40 years or more left to be alive. And so what we do affects us. Now, some people will say things like, well, I'm too old or it's too late. And we just know that that is not true. They've done studies in 90-year-olds, putting them on an exercise regimen and seen even for people in their 90s, they're able to gain muscle, lose fat, lose weight, gain strength and mobility and independence. Even for people in their 90s, we know that eating a meal, good or bad, it changes our gene expression. So we are literally one meal away from having better gene expression. One night's better sleep affects us in a positive way. So look, it is never too late. Sometimes we're not going to be able to turn around certain issues in our bodies, but we can always improve our health. We can always feel better, have more energy, be more active and capable in our lives, and accomplish more of the things that are meaningful to us. So all that said, fall down 7 times. If you're anything like me, probably going to fall down a few more than that. But the most important thing is to get up 8 times. Please, anyone out there suffering with chronic conditions, please Don't give up. We see a lot of people who are frustrated, who are confused, who feel isolated, alone. They may feel helpless. They may feel hopeless. There's one thing I can leave you with here. It's please get back up again. Keep going. All right, folks, that is it for me today. Listen, if you'd like some help, if you're dealing with digestive issues or autoimmune disease, let's chat. We help guide people who are dealing with digestive issues and autoimmunity to live bigger and better lives. Let's have a chat. That's the first step. Let's see what's going on for you, what your goals are. We'll have a conversation. We'll see if we are the right fit to help you. If we are, we'll talk about what's next. We'll get things going so we can help transform you, help you to lead that bigger and better life that you're looking for. And if we're not the right fit, listen, that's okay. We will do our best to refer you to someone who is a better fit for you. After all, we are not the right choice to work with everyone, and we only work with people that we are confident we can help. So let's have a conversation. All you need to do is email us, leave us a message, give us a phone call. We'll set up a time to chat, talk about what's going on, and see what makes the most sense. If we can help you to live that bigger and better life, let's get started today. All right, folks, until next time, take care.